Hello, hello, hello. Okay, so this time, this video is about, hey, look, I'm getting more familiar with Bash. All right, so I'm in this folder, pandas. I'm learning about pandas, and I'm using Kaggle to learn about pandas. And I went through the first assignment, or whatever you want to call it, called creating, reading, writing. And in that, I also have it visually here, creating, reading, writing. I ended up creating three folders: downloads, input, and Joomla. And in each of these folders, there's content. Yeah, there's a zip file there. There's data. I'm not sure what the right word is for. Let's see, what is this? Oh, CSV files. Yeah, to create pandas with. And then this one, it's got some content in there also. But what I want to do is, now I'm on to lesson two, right? Lesson two, indexing, selecting, assigning. And I'd like to create these three folders. And I was about to do it just the regular way, right click, new folder graphically. But I was like, hey, wait a minute, can this be done with Bash? And I knew the answer was going to be yes. I just didn't know what the incantation was, the magic word combo. So it starts with me going into the folder that already has the subdirectories that I want to use, which is downloads, input, Joomla. And so I'm going to go into that folder. Number one, CD1, list. So those are the folders that I want. To get it in an output that can be automated, we use the find command. It started with me saying, okay, how do I just list the directories? So that's type D, right? There they are. But what type D does is, not only does it find the first level, it also, if there's a subfolder, like Joomla has a subfolder, input has a subfolder. So if I just want just the first tier, then it's find in the current spot. That's what the dot's for. Max depth of 1, type D. So yeah, you add max depth of 1 to just get the first folder and hit enter. Boom. Okay, so now I have the folder names that I want to use to create the folders that I want in the second lesson folder. So we're gonna add the next piece to this. So I want this output to be redirected into execute, I guess, this command, make your directory path, and I want it into that folder, and then you just add the curly braces. So what goes in place of the curly braces each time a directory is made in this folder is these one at a time. So I'm gonna, just so you can see it visually, I'm gonna switch over to this folder, the folder that I'm gonna create the subfolders in, and you can see, yeah, it's empty. Okay, all right. So let's finish this command. I'm not sure what the slash and the semicolon is needed for, but that's what I found in my Google searches. So I'm happy to just use that. I don't know how much farther down the rabbit hole I want to go with this. So I'm gonna hit enter, and when I hit enter, you should see some folders over here. All right, here we go. Enter. Uh, refresh. Okay. Whew. And that's how you do it. So yeah, to confirm. So like I said, I didn't want the content that was already existing from lesson one. So if we look inside these folders, they should be empty. Downloads is empty. Uh, Input is empty, and Joomla is empty. So that's how you can copy the first tier of folders from one directory to a different directory. Thank you.